S21, the epitome of Samsung's innovation. Is it really the zenith? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode on TechnoBroSA. But before moving on to the video, destroy that like and subscribe button like Tesla destroyed its short sellers. Wait! Open a free Demat account on Angel Broking at zero charges for delivery treats. Click the link in the description or use our introducer code. Here we have another company following the world's smartest smartphone manufacturer, Apple. They have also decided somehow to remove the charger from the box. But the caveat is that after ridiculing Apple for removing the charger.
Shame on Samsung, shame.
Without any further ado, let's get started. So the first baby of Samsung is S21. To say the least, it's the updated version of Samsung S20 Fan Edition. If you see, it has a plastic back with 1080p display at variable refresh rate, which adapts with the app that you use. Yes, highest being 120 and lowest being 48. With 64 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide with 30x zoom at maximum and 256 GB of storage locked without any external SD card support. And the front camera is 10 megapixels, which is a downgrade from the Samsung S20 series. Then the positive side is that it is going to have the Snapdragon 888 or the Exynos 5nm chipset that Exynos is claiming to be equivalent to Samsung 888. It will have the Super AMOLED 6.2 inch display. And now Samsung is also partnering with Google, as the S21 series will have the Google Discover tab from where you can read news or do anything instead of the Bixby tab. The next baby of Samsung is the S21 Plus. So S21 Plus will have a premium glass back with matte finish. Then it will have almost the same specs, only the difference is the battery being 4800 mAh, whereas the Samsung S21 had only 4000 mAh. And also the screen will be bigger at 6.7 inch, but the resolution will stay the same at 1080p with variable refresh rate. And also the camera will also be the same as the S21. But the next phone, the third baby of Samsung, will be a standout one because it is named the S21 Ultra. It will have the S Pen feature, which no S series smartphone have till date. Yes, it is going to have the notch feature of S Pen with S Pen and S Pen Plus being released at the same stipulated time. And the camera will also be of 108 megapixel being the main camera with 100x zoom, which is the space zoom that the Samsung S20 Ultra had difficulty with. And there will be a telephoto lens of 10 megapixel and a ultra wide lens of 20 megapixel. And the front camera will be 40 megapixel. 40. Can you imagine how much clarity your front camera will have? Then the screen size will be 6.8 inches, which means just a 0.1 inch upgrade from the S21 Plus. But this will have the 1440p display, which means it's a 2K display, which Samsung generally offers with its flagship. And it will have the dual pixel autofocus, which means you won't have difficulty of focusing your object near or far while you are capturing that, which you had problem with the S20 Ultra. That's why the S20 Ultra didn't sell out. And it also has the fast charging capability of 25 watts over the wire and also reverse charging at 4.5 watts, which is good. And if you pre-order it and avail the offer, you will get the Galaxy Active smartwatch free or a bundle of Galaxy Buds and a travel charger. So you decide which one you want to buy. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends who are Samsung enthusiasts. And don't forget to comment in the comment section because it's free and you can comment your feedback anytime from anywhere in any part of the world. So with that said, I'm ending today's video. So signing off for now. Bye.